Going to the Extreme by Patrick Daly. His name is Aaron, but thousands of fans know him as Wheels. Wheels is an extreme athlete. He is the first extreme athlete to complete a backflip in a wheelchair. What's the reaction from spectators who see him perform? Awesome! All over the world, athletes are pushing themselves in extreme sports. They are diving off scary high cliffs. They are jumping from building to building. They risk injury to do stunts that seem impossible and unsafe. Why? What makes athletes so determined to participate? Here are 3 reasons. Feeling the rush. Extreme athletes talk about the unforgettable adrenaline rush they get. It happens when they complete a stunt successfully. It's a big part of their motivation. After I've done an unbelievable flip, my heart is pounding. My blood is racing. I feel incredibly alive, says one boarder. Pushing it to the edge. Nothing motivates an extreme athlete more than hearing, "It can't be done." Extreme athletes pride themselves on tackling the impossible. Getting crazy fit. These sports are no joke. They take a lot of skill. They take agility. Training is a requirement. Extreme athletes are fit. They are ripped. They have to be. For many athletes, these sports are worth the risks. I've broken my elbow 3 times, Wheels says. I've hit my head hard enough to see stars, even in my helmet. I've strained all the muscles in my back. Still, I keep going. We can't all be extreme athletes, but we can all be fans. For athletes and fans, extreme sports are a thrill.